We are going to be having a full Christmas day today. And this is how I keep Christmas alive all year long. Crazy turn of events. I actually bought my first Christmas present today. That is such a color combo. Oh my goodness. Hello everyone. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Bella. I love all things design and DIY, and today is a video that I'm very excited about. We are going to be having a full Christmas day today. It is mid-October and I don't care. I am getting so excited for Christmas. I can't take it. I start getting excited for Christmas like in September, so this is honestly showing a little bit of restraint for me to wait this long to be publicly so excited. I've been having a lot of conversations with people recently about how excited I am. Some people are on board. They're like, yes, I'm ready for Christmas. Some people are not so keen on me talking about it. I think any festive fanatics out there can relate to this, that the more people tell you it's too soon, the more you just want to embrace it. If someone's telling me it's too early for Christmas, it just spurs me on even more. So today we're gonna have a Christmas day. I also want to get a lot of Christmas content out as soon as I possibly can, so that lots of people can find these videos and get inspiration nice and early. So I'm using that as a bit of an excuse to start posting Christmas content. I think my people will find me. If you are here and you're here for it, then you get me. We see each other and we're gonna do this together. It happens in waves, right? Like there are tiers of socially acceptable ways to get into Christmas early, and one of those ways I think is burning Christmas candles. So I got this one out yesterday and it kind of spurred on me wanting to do this video because my room has smelled like Christmas. And this is Christmas Forest from DW Home, and I love this one. I got this at Homesense, I don't know, last year or the year before. It's so nice. It does have all of those like evergreen scents in it, but it also has like a little cinnamon spicy kind of tones to it, but not in an overpowering way. I hate Christmas scents that smell like a gift shop, if you get what I'm saying. And this does not do that. It still smells like really clean and fresh, but just like a little bit more warm and spicy than your typical evergreen candle. However, I do have a spruce one that I want to get out because I'm ready to swap out these fall candles. Also, if the lighting is super weird in this video, I'm sorry. My boyfriend showed me how to adjust my camera settings, and then I got sick and wasn't filming for a few weeks, and now I forget how to use my camera. So that's good. Just bear with this, whatever this is gonna look like. Let's see, I keep my candles in these baskets up in a shelf way up high because my bathroom is very small. Is there anything in here? No. Oh, that one's actually, this is a little bit festive smelling. This is by my favorite candle company, Woolsey's. They make other things like essential oils and stuff like that, but this is their scent Happy, and it's orange, mint, and neroli. That's like a very fresh festive scent. Let's take that out. Lavender. It's good, but not quite. Oh, that one's nice. This is Juniper Magnolia by Patty Wax. Oh, that's a good scent. I think that's more of like a just after Christmas scent. It's like a fresh, wintry, springy kind of smell. Okay, this is the one I was looking for. This is by, oh, Leoben company. I don't know, the label looks like that. But this is the Noel Spruce Cuttings scent. It's a soy wax candle. And this tastes exactly like evergreens. It doesn't taste, don't eat candles. This smells exactly like evergreens, like just the most pure evergreen scent. So taking that out, I think that's sufficient. One thing about being a early Christmas lover is that you have to find pockets wherever you can to not be judged. And one of those places is the privacy of your own car or headphones when you can listen to Christmas music. I think we've got to start it off with Justin Bieber Christmas because that is one of the most nostalgic Christmas albums ever. Peppermint mocha secured, very important. This is how I keep Christmas alive all year long. And another thing off the checklist is blasting All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey and breaking my vocal cords. I'm gonna go into Homesense now because that is where Christmas is alive and well, and see what we find. I got a few things at Homesense, which I am very excited about, but I'm gonna show you those after. We're gonna go to the thrift store right now because I know they have little bits of Christmas all year round, but I think right now it should be just about the time when they're really starting to take more stuff out. I think I even saw a Christmas tree there recently, so I'm gonna head there. I have a 20% off coupon, so that's very exciting. And then I'm gonna go to Michael's because they are obviously some of the very first people to have Christmas out. And I have a little DIY in mind that we're gonna do later. I am back home now and I want to apologize for any clips that I had my teeth full of chia seeds. That was a granola check that I should have done when I left the house and I didn't. So sorry about that. I wanted to show you what I bought because I got a few cute things, and crazy turn of events, I actually bought my first Christmas present today. So I don't think I'm going to show it to you. It is for my boyfriend and he'll maybe watch this. So I don't think I'm going to show you what it is, but I might show you wrapping it. Because what I got at Homesense was my wrapping paper, which is one of my favorite things to buy every year. I usually do like a roll or two of a fun paper, and then I usually wrap the rest of my presents in brown paper. So I do kind of like half and half. And I got 2 rolls this year that I had been looking at. Previous years, they're always kind of like my second choices. Last year, I'll see if I can insert a picture of the wrapping paper that I had. It was by Bella Lux and I got it at Homesense. It was this gorgeous, gorgeous, like scarlet and gold, beautiful gilded pattern. I might have to repurchase that if it pops up again. I know I have a little bit left over from presents that people unwrapped in front of me and I stole the paper back from them and folded it nicely because I am that person. So I don't feel too bad about buying new wrapping paper because I save as much as I can. Anyways, the rolls that I got were this really cute Martha Stewart. It almost is like a toile sort of pattern. It's got like reindeer and I think there's like, yeah, kids sleighing. It looks very vintage. I think it's super cute and I'll probably do, I have plaid ribbon. Actually, I'm gonna go get that. So my mom ordered me this really gorgeous plaid ribbon. This has plastic on it. Obviously they don't actually look like that. Let's take that off. But it's this really pretty, this has a really nice like cloth texture. Like a lot of wired ribbons, I don't like how they have like a really synthetic sheen to them, but this looks pretty close to like actual cotton fabric, which I really like. So I think that that is gonna look really pretty with this like toile sort of pattern. And then the second wrapping paper that I got is just a very classic plaid to actually kind of mirror that, but in a bit of an opposite way. And then usually what I do with my alternate packaging is I'll do it just with like raw jute or twine. Maybe I'll get some baker's twine, I don't know, but I think jute would show up really nicely on this, like a nice thick one. Those are the wrapping papers that I got, and I always buy wrapping paper as soon as I possibly can because as soon as I start buying Christmas presents, I want to be able to wrap them as I buy them for a few reasons. It eliminates stress of having to spend hours and hours on one day close to Christmas just wrapping presents back to back. It also drags out the joy of wrapping presents because it's one of my favorite parts of Christmas. I love gift giving. It's like such a high for me to shop for people that I love and pick things out for them and wrap them really beautifully and then watch them stare at the things that I got them under the tree and wait to open them. I just love that. And so if I can drag that process out, all the better. I love watching the presents stack up underneath my tree. It makes me so excited. And another benefit is you don't have to hide presents, because that is no fun to me. I don't like it. I like taunting people with a present wrapped so they have to look at it for weeks and want to open it, but they can't. So that's probably a little sick part of my brain that enjoys that, but that's why I get my wrapping paper before I get any presents, because as presents come in the house, they get wrapped right away. So I am actually going to wrap the present that I got for my boyfriend today, because that's fun. So those are what I got. Wow. I can really yap about just about anything. I spent so long talking about wrapping paper. Okay, the next thing that I got at Homesense was really fun. I like to buy myself a little decor treat. Maybe not every single year, but whenever I find something that is like special and different from any other Christmas decor I have, I like to buy it. And it's even more fun to buy it earlier in the year. So I've had my eye on these for the last little bit that Christmas has been in stock at Homesense. They have all of these beautiful trees that are hand-blown glass from Poland, and so I got this little tree and I absolutely love it. This green is like my obsession right now. I just love this tone, and then it has this really pretty like robin's egg blue, which if you have been following for a while, you know I'm obsessed with that color and I have it repeating everywhere I possibly can. So I love that. I love that it doesn't really like scream Christmas. It's not terribly over the top, so I think I might just pop it out now. Actually, I don't even know if I would want to put this away. Like, it doesn't, to me, this could go on a bookcase and look like just a sculptural item. So we'll see, but I really love this. But I will say I do try to not overbuy decor. A, because it costs a lot of money and I don't have a lot of money, and B, obviously try to be conscious about consumption. I want to buy things that I'm gonna have for the rest of my life. Not Christmas related, but one thing that I just quickly picked up at the thrift store because it was an instant yes. It was $10, and it's a cotton Ralph Lauren sweater in this really pretty orange color. I love it. It has this little crest on it, which I love, and then the gold zipper with the monogram detail. I love a cotton sweater. I love a knit. I love Ralph Lauren, and so this was an instant buy for me, and $10. I mean, that's really good. Every year I also try to buy a very small quantity of glass ornaments that I don't spend a ton of money all at once, and so I think I should have a pretty full tree this year of glass. And so I got these really pretty teal. I have a real teal and red theme going because I already have quite a few little teal baubles in like a mercury glass sort of finish, and so I think these are gonna look really nice with that. I don't have too many balls this size either. I try to keep them pretty small because I think that's the trick to making a tree look very, like, if you like a vintage sort of look on your tree, I think keep the ornaments small and have lots of them. That's what I keep in mind, but I couldn't resist this color and they didn't come in a smaller size. So I really like these. I've got a shiny one and a matte one, and I think they're gonna be really pretty. And then I got two of these red ones, which I think are also really beautiful in a smaller size. I think this is like an 1.5 inch size, and then again it has the shiny and the matte. So I think these together, that is Oh, such a color combo. Oh my goodness. We're gonna do a little DIY because I don't want this Christmas train to end. I got some cardstock paper from Michael's and I love the colorway that I went with. So I think I'm gonna use these 3 colors and we're gonna make paper chains because I've never done that before. I mean, I probably have when I was a kid, but as like actual decor, I haven't done that, and every year I want to. I'll need scissors, and I just don't get around to it. I think they are fun and something that I can have hanging around at this time of year, and nobody can really say anything about it. Ow! Okay, I just stabbed myself.